In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to turn on PC without a power supply and whether or not it is possible to do this. As the name itself suggests, the power supply is going to be what provides every single part on your PC with sufficient power so it works properly. And even though you are able to turn on your PC without using a power button, and there are various different methods to do this, can you apply the same logic and turn on your PC without a power supply? Well, the very first thing that you will notice is that all of the components need to be installed on the motherboard. So your CPU, your RAM, a GPU if you have one, SATA devices, and so on. However, if the motherboard is not receiving power from an external component, it isn't going to be able to power itself up. And if the motherboard doesn't power up, it won't be able to distribute the power across every single device that you connected. Of course, this is an overly simplified explanation, but to keep it simple, if you don't have a power supply, you will not be able to power on your PC. It is simply impossible. The power supply is needed to give power to the motherboard, which in turn gives it power to every other component that you have connected: CPU, RAM, GPU, drives, and so on. Turning on a PC without a power supply is simply not possible. There is no workaround to this. However, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you want to power on your PC without a power button, then that can be done. You simply have to connect the 24-pin PSU cable to your motherboard, the 8-pin PSU cable to your CPU. You can optionally install the CPU and RAM, and by bridging these two pins here that relate to power, you can actually power it on, even if you don't have a case with a power button. So by bridging these two pins, it is going to power the PC on. However, if you don't have a power supply to begin with, then that is going to be impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the importance of a power supply when PC building, and the fact that you cannot power on your PC in any way, shape, or form if you don't have a dedicated PSU. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.